Thanks for watching, guys. Today I'm going to show you how I created this rainbow hairdo for my sibling Harper. So first, I'm just starting off with a 30 volume developer and going over all of Harper's new growth. And then I'm going to go back in and apply the same 30 volume to the pre-lightened areas of Harper's hair to strip out the color. And finally, I go over the shaved areas of their head. The reason I go over the shaved areas last is because it's very close to the scalp, and I know that it will get light enough in a short amount of time, whereas the rest will need a little bit longer to process.
In my head, tell me what was it you said? I wanna be what you wanna be, but I don't think that you understand me. I'm alright if you're okay. Do you wanna sleep in my bed anyway? I'm so tired of feeling like I'm pulling teeth. I've been waiting for this all day. I'll show you the way, I'll show you the way. Don't you dare be afraid. I'll show you. I wanna feel the way you feel. Please tell me something here is real. I wanna talk it all out again. I'm not alright, I'm not okay. I should just stay.
Alright, now that I have all their new growth saturated, I go back in and I pull it through to the ends in order to strip out the rest of their color. Obviously this won't stay on the hair as long, and so I'm still using that 30 volume developer. I'm also using 30 volume because the blue I have in their hair has stayed in through several color services, and I'm trying my hardest to get it out. But as you'll see later, I wasn't able to get all of it out in this process.
Don't you dare be afraid. I'll show you. Don't you know you're my best friend? And I don't know if I will ever see you again. Don't you know you're my best friend? And I don't know if I will ever see you again.
Here's Harper's hair fully saturated and nearly ready to wash. After I washed the hair, I did their haircut, and then after I dried the top of their hair and the sides, I go in with my clippers and shave in the lines in the side of their head that will later become our rainbow. And as you can see, their hair lightened very well, except for that little bit of blue on the ends, but that's okay because it will give us a little bit of a cooler tone to the rainbow later on, and I think that's kind of what they're going for anyway, because Harper tends to wear more of cool tone colors. So here I go in and I split their hair into 4 sections and took zigzag sections to keep everything very organic looking, natural, and have a flow to it. And so I just go in and I take very, very thin slices, and I actually foiled the entire head and left no hair out. And I just went in and I Roy G. bibbed it and went perfectly in order up and down the head. And I was really happy with how these colors turned out. I used all bed head colors today, except for I did use a Guy Tang for the indigo, not that indigo there, but I did more of like a purple, and then I did a pinky purple with Guy Tang colors. And the purple didn't really show up. I think that I should have either gone with bedhead for that or mixed it with a developer, although the instructions said developer was optional. So I wouldn't recommend just going in with Violet Booster by Guy Tang unless you're going to add a developer. But regardless, I really like the way this turned out, and so here you can see me just going up the head with some foils. Alright guys, and here you have the final look. I had so much fun creating this rainbow look for Harper today. As you can see, it gets more cool tone on the ends, which I think is just gorgeous, and it's a very vibrant rainbow root and rainbow on the sides. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and a huge thank you to Plague Dogs for providing the music for today's video. I will have the link to their SoundCloud in the description, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.